Good morning. After snubbing India, Nepal, under the pressure of Beijing, might reject American grant, or you can say American aid for an infrastructure project. Now, and if Nepal government reject the American grant, it will have a strain, or you can say a difference between Nepal and Washington. Now, a project called a Millennium Challenge Corporation (MCC) will grant from it's a grant from US, which agreed upon 2017. When this agreement happened in the year 2017, from that year there was a difference between Nepal and China, because China didn't like the grant coming out from US. According to this grant, US had agreed upon to help Nepal with 500 million US dollar, and Nepal government will invest 330 million US dollars, and this money will be used for power transmission line and upgradation of 300 kilometers of road in Nepal. So, under the pressure of Beijing, Nepal government can reject this grant which is coming from US. Now, the current Prime Minister of Nepal and the Communist Nepal Communist Party, which is the ruling party of Nepal, he has been divided between the US grant and Chinese. If Nepal people accept the grant from US, then he is in fear that there will be a damaging tie with China. And at the same time, US is a part of US India Indo-Pacific strategy, which limits the influence of China in that region, and by accepting the grant from US, it will upset China. This is the viewpoint of the current Nepali government. Now, this proposal needs to be passed in Parliament by 30th June, but Nepal government has still now has not bring this the bill into or this matter into Parliament, because within the party there is some within the ruling party of Nepal, there is some differences going on. The Nepal Finance Minister has had incorporated this US grant in the new budget, and before the Parliament endorsement of the before the Parliament, he has incorporated this grant, and Finance Minister of Nepal has been lashed out by the people. Now, what Finance Minister is saying is that if Nepal government does not accept the grant coming from US, then Nepal, there will be a difference between the two countries, between Nepal and Washington, that's for sure. At the same time, it will also have a larger impact on international, you can say, international fund or international grant, or internationally it will have a different, have a negative impact. So, in order to please China, the current communist government in Nepal is giving pressure to the Nepali government to reject the aid which is coming from, or the grant which is coming from US. At the same time, you will see that they have passed in the Parliament regarding the three place which belongs to India, but they claim that that belongs to Nepal, and Indian or the foreign secretary has said that India wanted to have a talk over a phone, or also offered to visit Nepal, but Nepal government did not wait and passed the bill in the parliament saying that this area belongs to the Nepal government. Now and Nepal government is also saying that but they have offered India for a talk, but India did not respond. So at the thing, Nepal government should understand that India will not react to this aggressive moves which Nepal government is showing just to please China, because Narendra Modi knows that Nepali people are our brother and sister, but the Nepal government on the influence of Beijing is doing such kind of act. But Nepal government should understand that Nepal is a country who requires aids and donation from various other countries. Now, for example, if Nepal current communist government wants to please China and take difference with other countries who are against China or who don't like China, then gradually what will happen? Nepal will be slowly isolated. For example, if if they dare to do something for US, they do reject US aid. They do have a problem with India. Tomorrow, if they have problem with other countries, France. Tomorrow, then again. So if those countries who have raised question, to China because of this pandemic, and because of Indo-Pacific region and all, because those countries who are not satisfied with China, and Nepal tried to react with those countries like India, US, etc., then ultimately what will happen? Nepal will not be benefited. Nepal will only have problem. You should know how the Chinese people follow the debt trap policy. If you can see, you can read the debt trap policies of Sri Lanka. Now, if Nepal reject China's US aid or the grant, then what will happen? Then that means China will fund them for all this activity, for road 300-kilometer road expansion or power transmission, whatever it is. So the influence of Chinese in Nepal will be gradually more. So at the time you can say that Nepal government is having some problem, the Nepal Prime Minister is having some problem in his internal matters, we know, and he is trying to show his strength by doing all this thing. But what about Nepali people? Nepali people knows very well that they have been used, the government is doing all this thing. Nepali people are well aware of what is going on. So rejecting this aid of US said by Nepal government, if they reject, then it's going to be shocking to the world community, and also it will have a negative impact on international bodies, countries, because just to please China, if Nepal government, current communist Nepal government behave like this, then it's a problem for Nepal, and they should the Nepal government should think about people of Nepal rather than pleasing China. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment and share. Thank you very much.